Now we're going to talk a little about fashion.
Okay.
Okay, so we have a segment जिसके लिए मैं आपको ये दूंगी आपको red flag and green flag
Okay.
दिखाने.
Okay.
So this is Zivame presents Unhooked and Unhooked. Wearing a sports bra under a lehenga blouse.
Comfort over everything, guys.
Okay, wearing prints over prints.
I'm not a fan of very large prints, so I think I would call it a red flag personally. But I guess so many people wear print over print, and they can really carry it off. They
Yeah.
look very cool. It's
The-
not for me.
Ranveer Singh जैसे.
Exactly.
हाँ.
And he looks very hot.
He
when
can wear a
does it.
chaddar and he looks hot, yeah.
That's true. That's true.
Okay. Visible bra straps with an off-shoulder dress or top.
I don't know how to call it a green flag or a red flag. It's okay.
It's okay.
There's no problem.
Also, this is also because bra straps being visible is...
It's a huge deal, right? And I never understood that because I remember in college also there used to be rules in certain colleges that you could not have the
क्या
strap of
दिखने
your
नहीं
bra.
चाहिए?
नहीं मतलब अगर आपने दिखा दिया तो मतलब you can take क्या बोलते हैं उसे you're punished and all of that.
Yeah.
Which I mean I found that a little like much. Too much.
Too much. Okay. Mixing silver and gold jewelry in the same look. You've done it today.
I'm totally for it. I'm totally for oh sorry.
So,
green flag.
green flag.
Yeah, huge green. I love mixing metals.
Okay. Dark bra stealing the limelight under your light kurti. Which is basically if it's...
I'm not for it, not for any particular reason. I don't like that, whatever the overall look of it. So yeah, me personally, I would not choose to do that.
Okay. Sneakers under lehenga.
Oh, fully green flag. Sneakers under anything. Like if I could wear sneakers with like everything for the rest of my life, I would do that.
Correct. And you also don't need to wear heels, na?
I mean, I hope I find reason to wear heels.
Matching your lehenga with your lingerie.
Yeah.
Green flag?
Works, yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. Green flag. Okay. Changing into your pajamas at a festive party when you are the host.
Why not? Yeah, you deserve it. Please do not think twice. It's not rude at all.
Strapless bra on the DJ night. Like when you have to dance a lot.
Works for you. Great,
Works for
yeah.
you. Okay, wearing lounge wear for a festive after party.
After party ke liye, I feel it's totally fine to wear comfortable clothes.
Yeah. Backless choli with a matching bra strap.
No, if it's a backless choli, then let it be a backless choli, no? That's the beauty of it. It's backless.
It's backless. Oh my god, poo. We all have a little poo in us.
Yeah, we all want that moment.
We all want that. Peeche ka kahan hai? It's backless. Okay. Full glam makeup at a daytime puja.
Sure, if you're feeling. See, I don't want to call it a red flag. I wouldn't do it.
Okay. Fair.
So I'm saying red flag, but if you want to look glam for daytime puja, go for it. You do you. I think that's great. It's very nice to look at nice looking people there.
So basically, these are also things that a lot of us have been judged about, right? Ki bra strap dikh raha hai ki nahi. Have you felt any judgment in any aspect of your life ever?
Yeah. But I lived with my parents, and my grandmothers and my grandparents lived in the same, society. And there was this very conscious conversation that was had with me. Ki, I understand. I've never been told that you can or cannot wear something by my parents. But there was always this decorum that was set that, when you're going to meet your grandparents, we have to be a little more mindful about certain things. I was given this kind of, thought that meet them midway. If something that, you might wear might make them feel uncomfortable, then avoid wearing that, when you're going to meet them. So I think that kind of a balance, and that can be a little blurring for you. It can be a little confusing, right? Because on one side you're like, I should be able to wear whatever I want and feel liberated, etc. But I don't think it's a problem if you're being a little mindful towards some people, especially if it's for like, shorter periods. It's not like you're living your entire life like that. Because if somebody came and told me that, oh, you can't wear this for the rest of your life, I mean, that would not be okay with me, It could be any person.
Correct.
Like, I did have that awareness. But like I said, I found it very interesting that in a college, there was a proper, do's and don'ts. And like, wahan pe likha tha that you cannot show your bra strap.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
This is-
It exists. So I mean, I guess, see, again, it's each to his own. Maybe they had their reasons of having that, but do I agree with it? No.
So we keep talking about he's a 10 baht. You've seen that trend
I've seen
going
that,
on.
I've seen
He's a 10 baht. So I wanted to flip it a little
Huh.
and make it about us. You are a 10 baht.
But a lot of things. She falls asleep on video call.
Nice.
Yeah. Your turn.
Okay. My turn. I am a 10 baht. I cry when I'm angry.
Oh my god, same Pari. Oh my
Hello.
god, yeah. It's the
So
best
then the whole argument goes for a toss.
thing.
मतलब मुझे ऐसा like गुस्सा होना है किसी के ऊपर
Yeah.
and I want to put my point across and then मेरी आंखें ऐसे भर जाती है.
But I cry for everything. हर चीज के लिए मैं रोती हूँ. जब भी मैं खुश हूँ मैं रोती हूँ, जब भी मैं सैड हूँ मैं रोती हूँ, जब भी मैं एंग्री हूँ मैं रोती हूँ, जब भी मैं रोना चाहती हूँ मैं रोती हूँ.
हाँ.
And I cry like this even in movies and stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Your turn again.
I'm a 10, but the fact that I think I'm a 10 is a problem. Right?
Minus. Okay. I am a 10, but I think I can still fix a guy.
Hi. I don't think anymore. I'm a 10, but I can go a few days without communication.
Hmm.
So if there's somebody who has a problem with that and needs like immediate replies, then it's a little problematic.
I'm a 10, but मुझे comebacks हमेशा घर जाके याद आते हैं.
Yeah, but that's not bad. It's okay. You're still a 10.
I'm still a 10. Oh, sweet.
I wish मुझे मेरे comebacks घर जाने के बाद आते. On the
Really?
spot नहीं आते. तो I think I would be a much happier person. क्योंकि वो fight वहीं पे खत्म हो जाती ना फिर.
Hmm.
So it's
Okay.
you're a 10. You're good.
Okay, and you have to take the last one.
I'm a 10, but I am non-confrontational. I will send you a text message expressing everything. I cannot I find it tough. I know it's very important, but I'm a little non-confrontational.
Okay, I am a 10, but I'll say मिलते हैं, but never really initiate. प्लान बनाते हैं यार. कहाँ जाना है? तू बता. नहीं तू बता. नहीं तू बता बस.
Correct.
So I'm very much capable of doing
Yeah.
that. I will cry also. That यार.
मिली नहीं यार
मिली
इतने
नहीं
टाइम से.
यार, वो.
कहाँ है तू?
But then I'm very much capable.
Get it. Fair.
Okay, this is the last segment. It's called First and Worst.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Okay. First and worst audition experience.
First audition was when I was in college. It was for a cola ad. And somebody had seen a photograph of mine from a casting director's office, and they asked me if I would like to audition for this ad. And I was like, what? I was like,
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.